Hello everybody and welcome back to Performance on Wheels.
You got your new CTS-V.
I did?
It's got like 50,000 miles on it. I told you it's a time capsule. You shouldn't modify it, so what do?
Modify it.
You do like the worst modification ever. You go out and buy some Chinese headers off of eBay.
What's wrong with that?
Absolutely nothing unless you want Chinese headers off of eBay on your beautiful CTS-V.
Heck yes, I do.
So we bought them. We decided it wasn't necessarily a good idea or what we were looking for.
Yeah, I didn't.
So you returned them.
Yeah, I returned those. That didn't happen.
And then some mufflers show up from eBay or Amazon.
Those things are awesome too. Flowmaster Super 44s, they're great.
And then the next day, some more mufflers show up.
Yeah,
four
mufflers, really
along
quiet.
with some exhaust tips and some an X pipe.
Yeah,
all sorts of good stuff.
And we only kept 4 of those things.
Yeah, so the pre-production, not pre-production, what am I looking for?
I don't know.
Like Corsa exhaust, the pre-assembled exhaust that's like tested, tuned, ready to go. It's expensive.
It's like $2,300 for this car.
Yeah, and then there's the MagnaFlow. There's not a ton of systems out there for the car.
No, and the ones other than Corsa kind of sound like they don't have the best reputation on this vehicle.
For sure. So it was a Cadillac, 100% stock when you bought it.
Yeah.
And fun car, quick car, but it was a Cadillac. It was smooth, it was quiet.
It was extremely quiet.
Inside and outside, there's enough rumble there so you knew it was a V8, but besides that, there wasn't much.
Yeah, maybe if you had your ear up to the exhaust tip.
Right. Take a listen to what it sounded like stock right now. Not bad, right?
It's pretty bad.
It's not bad, but if you're a young man that wants to be seen and wants to be heard, it's bad.
Yeah, it was bad.
So you went and put a cold air intake on it, and that wasn't mind-blowing in my opinion, but it did something.
It sounded a little bit meaner. You could hear it coming.
Yep, you could hear it coming. It changed the tone. Who knows if it was really louder or not, but it changed the tone, more so on the outside than the inside, but definitely a noticeable difference on both.
For sure.
And then you went and got some exhaust.
I did. I actually got it custom welded in, so I didn't buy a full system, like we were saying.
You didn't do a custom system.
No.
Different boxes of different mufflers kept showing up. You started doing your research, understanding that only certain size mufflers would fit. So what did you come up with?
I put on a X pipe in place of the stock resonator, so the resonator is completely gone. And I got rid of the original mufflers, which were like almost 35 pounds each. They're about this big.
Big suitcases.
No joke.
Yeah.
They were massive. And I replaced them with ones that are about this big.
And then some like 4-inch tips or something?
Yeah, so 2.5-inch to 4-inch tips. So the original piping all the way back, got rid of the resonator, put in a 2.5-inch X pipe, got rid of the mufflers, put in racing mufflers from Flowmaster, the Super 10s, to some new tips.
Let's see what it sounds like right now, followed by which one's louder.
I don't even understand how that is a factory exhaust system. Like, how did that make it out of the factory? What the heck?
What happens if I hit this? Oh, okay, that says that. What if I do this? Oh, alright. So that's a pretty dramatic difference.
Way different. You gotta admit, it sounds pretty cool.
So early March, Minnesota, the snow leaves, you're anxious to get it installed.
Yeah.
And there's like tornado warnings going off literally at our house. There's like cell after cell, tornado warning after tornado warning, hail's coming, the car's outside, so it was like a mad dash to go pick it up.
It was, there was a lot of emotions going on trying to get the car.
For sure, but you got it, and there's a unique sound. So when I drive behind it, when I've heard it, there's like this, like almost a bass sound down low.
Yeah.
And that must go, and I'm just guessing here, that must go till about 3,000 RPMs. And then that bass sound goes away like completely. You could almost describe it as a drone, but it's not a drone.
Yeah, I feel the same thing when driving. The car's decently loud from the interior at that point, but above 3,000 RPM, completely gone. You can't hear anything.
Yeah, the tone of the exhaust completely changes once you hit some certain point, and then it's just like a V8 muscle car-ish sound.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm a big fan of it because from the interior there is no drone when driving somehow, which I totally thought there would be with those mufflers. And I think it does sound pretty good from the outside. So all in all, under $1,000, intake, full exhaust, that's a pretty good deal to me.
Good deal. Obviously the F-Type will always sound better, let's be honest, it's my car, so regardless if it doesn't sound as good or not, it'll always sound better. What do you guys think sounds better, the F-Type or the CTS-V? Thanks for watching today's video. Comment down below your thoughts. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as ringing that bell.
And hit some of these videos that are up in the atmosphere right now. We'll see you guys in the future. Have a great day.